We're at Construction Scotland Innovation Centre, and we're going to be showing you a little bit of behind the scenes as to what goes on when building the CLT for our future home. CSIC are one of our platinum sponsors, and we've been working with them for a long time now. It also helps that they're the only organisation in the UK that have CLT manufacturing capabilities. Let's introduce and ask Alex why we chose CLT.
One of the first conversations we had to have was, what are we going to make this house out of? And cross-laminated timber was an early contender because it is very stable. It is likely to withstand both construction and then deconstruction and then reconstruction and the shipping in containers. But one of the big minuses for us was the fact that cross-laminated timber is not made in the UK. However, what we've actually managed to put together is working with some of the very first homegrown and then home fabricated cross-laminated timber, all from Scotland, that has ever been produced. So I think CLT is a great solution because essentially it sequesters carbon. Unlike many, many structural materials that we might have worked with, this has a positive impact overall on the environment. And that, combined with the fact that it's potentially a new Scottish industry that we're supporting, is really, really exciting.
So, CLT was the clear choice for us, and it being a hands-on process means that we've been cutting, placing and gluing the wood all by ourselves. Being involved in the process gives us a greater appreciation and understanding of our project. But you've heard our opinion. What does Fiona from CSIC think about working with ESTEEM?
Working with Heriot Watt has always been a pleasure. It's a great team that they have and an academic capacity out there. It's never a chore. The student experience, this is new territory for me personally, and it's been fantastic. The one thing I would say by comparison to constantly supporting the industry to date is that they don't just deliver with their minds, they deliver with their hearts as well. So they have this massive rush of enthusiasm that they apply to their project, and it's just such a refreshing approach to doing business. I've really enjoyed the experience.
Finally, we can hear from Sam, who has helped us out immensely in this project, about why this kind of innovation is so important.
For a short period of time in 2020, I was part of the Solar Decathlon project team, and I've been working with the students from then on to help with the development of the design and the specification for the Solar Decathlon project. In my role at Rural Housing Scotland, I'm really excited to see this type of project because it embodies the type of low carbon, healthy construction that we should be pushing in Scotland. And it's this type of innovation, things like cross-laminated timber and dowel laminated timber, and the use of non-toxic insulation materials that are good for indoor air quality and the environment, that are essential when we're developing all of our new houses. Over the next couple of years, we're going to see more and more of this type of timber technology, and a lot of it is going to be spurred on by the Solar Decathlon project and what it achieves. I'm really excited to be part of this, and I look forward to seeing this project and all of its successes.